Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of you need permission due to this action. Now, what that message means is that basically you need to be an administrator in your local machine to do whatever. So, for example, here I'm in my ASRC Windows part of my partition in the hard drive, right? And I want to go to users. If I try to make a new folder here, for example, you see that you need to confirm this operation. You can see destination folder access denied, right? That's because if I want to mess with anything in the Windows part of the partition in this local machine, I need to be an administrator. Now, thankfully, my account right now is an administrator, right? If you want to get rid of this permission, you need to ask for anyone who has control of your PC to turn you into an administrator, right? Or if you have two accounts in your PC, usually the one where you set it up as at the start is an administrator. So once you access your account, you could just click on continue here and then like that. Now it's still right. If I want to delete this as well, I also have to do a administrator access. Any administrator like action, you'll see that there's a little shield here to signify that you need to be an administrator to do this. Just click on continue and then you're done. It's just like that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.